Many are startlingly similar Hachi in German, Apchi in Russian, Hakshin in Korean. Why? Because the sound mirrors the body's explosion of air. It's one of humanity's first onomatopoeias, a shared sound born from biology. Now, let's zoom out. Evolutionarily, sneezing gave us an advantage. Animals sneeze to dogs, cats, even iguanas. But humans? We're the only ones who turned it into social glue. When our ancestors started living in larger groups, diseases spread faster. Responding to sneezes, caring for the sick, isolating the contagious, became critical for survival. Tribes that cooperated around sneezes survived to pass on their genes. Today, we see this legacy everywhere, from bless you etiquette to pandemic face masks. That reflex forced us to build societies where we look out for each other's bodies.